Oh no, I forgot my homework. What am I gonna do? Oh. Ooh, perfect.
Hey, Frankenstein, stop copying me.
Oh, please, zombie, let me copy this once. I don't want to get in trouble.
No, if you didn't want to get in trouble, then you should have done your homework.
Oh, but,
I said no.
Oh, man.
Frankenstein, I didn't do my homework either, but I have a plan.
A necklace? How's that gonna help?
Shh, it's not a necklace. It's a magical mummy amulet. It'll make me invisible. Check it out.
Whoa.
Shh, I'm gonna go copy Zombie's homework for us.
Okay.
Here it is. Time to copy. Thanks for the free A, Zombie. Oh no, my amulet!
Mommy, I can't believe you were trying to copy me. Professor,
What's going on?
Mommy's trying to copy me.
You know cheating's not allowed in this class. You get an F.
It wasn't my fault. It was him. It was Frankenstein. He was the mastermind. It was his plan.
You guys both get an F. Go back to your seat.
Oh, what?
And since you guys broke the rules, you guys have to write, I will not copy 1,000 times.
Oh, it's not fair.
Get started. It's due by the end of class.
Oh, I should have just done my homework. Hello? Is anyone there?
Frankenstein!
What's that?
Frankenstein!
Oh, it's just a dream. Oh, hi, Professor.
How dare you fall asleep in my class? If I catch anyone falling asleep in my class again, everyone's getting a pop quiz.
What?
That's not fair.
Work as a team to be good students.
Thanks a lot, Frankenstein.
Sorry, I'm just so sleepy.
Wait, Frankenstein, try drinking this smoothie. It'll help you stay awake. To make a green smoothie, all you need is spinach and an apple. First, cut the apple. Now, put the apples into the blender. Now add spinach and 1 cup of water. Next, we blend.
Okay, zombie.
The high iron in spinach promotes oxygen delivery to cells which fights fatigue. How do you feel now, Frankenstein?
I feel so refreshed and awake now. Thanks, zombie.
No problem.
Make sure you guys are taking good notes.
Okay, Professor. Wait, Professor, I need more time. Don't take my test.
Just let go, Frankenstein.
No.
You had an hour to finish this exam. That's enough time.
Please, 5 more minutes.
I said no.
Oh man, I don't want to get an F. Oh, I know. Come on, little buddy. Help me distract Professor. Thanks for the A+, Professor. Oh, don't worry, Professor. I got the roach.
You're so brave, Frankenstein. Since you did that, I'm gonna give you extra credit today.
Wow, really? Thanks, Professor. That worked better than I thought. Thanks, little buddy.
I already warned you guys about what would happen. This is the last time you guys are gonna interrupt my class.
Oh, come on, Professor. I was showing them my puppet.
That's enough. If you want to waste class time, everyone gets 2 hours in detention.
What's going on, Professor?
Yeah, why are we in here?
Welcome to detention, everyone.
What?
This is so scary.
I've been in detention for 300 years.
Since you guys keep interrupting me, you're gonna be in detention forever.
No!
Please, Professor, I don't want to be in detention.
Too bad. Now get ready for a 2-hour lecture.
But, Professor...
I don't want to hear any more talking, or else I'll double the time.
Oh. No, Mommy, you're gonna get us in trouble.
Yeah, be quiet.
But I can get us out of here. Check this out.
What's with all the smoke? I can't see.
Here's our chance. Everybody run.
Okay.
I need to see what's going on.
Come on, hurry up.
Stop right there.
It's nothing. Come on, guys.
Ah! How dare you try to sneak out of my class? Now everyone's staying for 4 hours.
Oh, but Professor, it was all Mommy's idea.
But you followed me. Come on, Professor. 2 hours is long enough.
Go sit down now.
Oh, please, zombie, come on, let me borrow them.
No way. Use your own crown.
I forgot them at home. I just need to borrow one color.
Fine, but next time bring your own crowns.
Well, thanks, zombie.
Ah! Only 4 crowns? I gotta do something! Aha! Oh, my crown's in here! And I'll add some slime to keep Frankenstein out.
Zombie, can I borrow 2 more crayons?
Here you go, they're in my new container.
Whoa, your new container's so cool. Huh? Oh, Ew, this is so gross. Never mind, zombie. I don't need any crayons. Take it back.
Suit yourself. Haha, it worked. Now I got all my crayons to myself.
I can't remember any of these answers. Much better.
Mommy! How dare you cheat in my class?
Professor, I was just...
Give me all your cheat sheets. If I see any more cheat sheets, the whole class is getting a 1,000 question exam.
No!
Now keep working on your test.
Okay. Professor will never see my cheat sheet in here.
Frankenstein!
Whoa.
What did I say about cheating? Now the whole class has to take the 1,000 question exam.
Frankenstein?
Wait, no, Professor. It's not a cheat sheet. It's just a skull for anatomy class.
Schools aren't allowed in class either, but since it's not a cheat sheet, I'll let you off with the warning.
Thanks, Professor.
Now back to your test. Everyone, desk clear. All right, everyone, turn in your test.
Wait, Professor, can I get 10 more minutes, please?
10 more minutes?
My pencil broke. My wrist hurts. I'm bad at math.
That's enough. I'll give you 5 more minutes, but make sure to finish all the questions.
Only 5 minutes?
Keep working before I change my mind.
Okay. 20 more questions? I can't finish this in 5 minutes. Oh, I know. Yes, it worked. Here's the answer key. Got it. Now I can finish my test.
All right, zombie, turn in your test.
I'm done.
Looks good, but I'm not giving you extra time on any more tests.
Okay, Professor. Whew, that was a close one.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.